Welcome back to my channel, gorgeous people. Hope you are all having an amazing day. Hope you are having an amazing week as well. Thank you all for your comments. I thank you for your support. I thank you for everything. God bless you all. If today is your first time coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and please do turn on your notification bell in order for you to know whenever I upload. So today's segment is today's video. It's what I made up my mind to start doing every Wednesday by the grace of God, to upload twice a week. Okay, I know there are people out there that they are not interested in some of the other social networks. They're kind of YouTube kind of person. So on this segment, Wednesday segment of mine, I'll be bringing things I've seen here and there onto this channel. They're going to be very brief and short, not to waste a lot of time. You know, I'm all about not wasting time. Okay, so today I'll be doing trending brows that I've seen here and there, and I will tag wherever I've seen it in this video as well for you guys to see. So if you want to see what I meant by my Demi seeing it here and there Wednesday, please do continue watching. If you like this video, at the end of it, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe and hit the notification bell as well, and let me know what you think at the end of this video, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.
There comes a time in every man's life.
So as you can all see, I've done my brows off the camera. Okay, I'm gonna give you a short story real quick. How sometimes ago, like some months ago, some lady asked me to do a brow tutorial on my video on my channel, and I went ahead and did this brow tutorial. She never even watched, she never commented, she never subscribed. I guess she just wanted to make fun of me, and I don't care. Okay, I'm that kind of a person that doesn't need an approval from anybody to move ahead with my passion, especially what I love doing. So I'm just going to keep doing my thing. I did this cameras I did my brows off the camera in order not to waste a lot of time. So this method is like, you do your own brows just as you normally do it, then you glam it up. It's as simple as that. All you need is glitter glue and your slanted brush. So for me, I'll be using the BH Cosmetics glitter in Pomade blue, and I'll be using a glue glitter which I bought on Amazon. This is a liquid one. It's called the Glitter Glam. I bought it on Amazon. I'll be using a slanted brush by BH Cosmetics. So it's simple as that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dip my brush inside the glue and dip it into the glitter and just start doing it. So you're just gonna follow your brow shape. That's all. For my DIY brow pomade, I'll be using BH Cosmetics palettes and oil. You can use any oil of your choice. This is what I have at home. I bought it on Amazon, and I'll be using it to create my own colorful brow pomade. Train as I expected, but don't worry, we're gonna fix that. Move on to the second color. Red. Green. Let's go ahead and clean it up. and see how it's going to turn out. It's not looking good right now, but I just kind of feel I'm going to figure it out. Before, okay, I've never tried this off the camera or anything. This is my first experiment, and I'm letting you see my errors, and now I'll try to fix them as well.